What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna tint the headlights with a light black tint with a pre-cut tint. Let's do it. Okay, these are the 2017 Toyota Corolla and I already have the pre-cut tint for this one. But if you don't want to use the pre-cut tint, you can buy that sheet and you have to cut it yourself. So I'm gonna put the links for both, for the pre-cut tint for the headlight on this model and tint just the sheet if you want that, you prefer that, okay? Okay, also before you do that, clean the tail lights really good. Any dust, remove it first with water and soap, okay? Okay guys, here you can see the difference. This is a tint, this is light black tint. It looks super cool. This is stock, okay? It's you can barely see it, but in person it's amazing. Wow, man, I like it a lot. See it? This is the regular, that's the light black. Oh wow, it looks super cool. Okay, let me tell you something. This, when you're putting the pre-cut tint for this one, you have to align first this end and this end, and this area right here is the hardest area, okay? So you have to heat it up, stretch it a little bit with the squeegee, put a lot of water, be patient. And this one, it will shrink a little bit, okay? So it will start shrinking, but you have to be patient, be lifting, put in water, and use the squeegee. Be careful not to burn the material, it's very easy to burn it, okay? And the same thing on this top, but the hardest part is this area right here, this curve, okay? And I'm gonna put the link for the pre-cut tint, or if you want the sheet, I'm gonna put the sheet too, if you wanna get just a full sheet, okay? Let me turn on the lights so you can see the difference. Okay guys, that's the way it looks. Man, I'm super excited. It looks super cool. I didn't think it will look this good. You can see it. It's the light black tint. That's what I use. Links on the description. Okay. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Okay guys, this is the light black tint. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, please like the video. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.